So, Black Friday deals already start with Walmart. However, they have a major 3 event deals that will be going on each week for November, starting on November 7th. Guys, stick around to the end because I don't want to miss some of the deals that I will be sharing with you, and they have some crazy deals. If you're new here, I am Renee. I share all things home related on this channel, but for this video it's specially dedicated to the Walmart Black Friday deals because in order for us to have a beautiful home, we have to get beautiful items, and we love to shop a deal to get those in our home. No, the deals already start. Once you head on over to the Walmart page, it is highlighted. Epic deals are coming. Black Friday deals for days, starting online November 7th. So, if you're looking for some gifts for some children, teenagers, fathers, mothers, now is the time to start shop for those gifts. You can get an iPad Air Wi-Fi 10.9-inch for only $4.99. These are some great deals. If the deals aren't excited, comment down below. Also comment down below what you will get. But as I said, stick around to the end because some other deals are going to be shown that you don't want to miss. Now, if you're looking for a grill, you can get that for only $29.99. They have these Disney LOL surprise dolls on some specials as well for $20. And when I say you can get your gadgets, you can get your gadgets, your electronics, and other items on some deals. Our home is not so beautiful if we don't have tech stuff and smart stuff, and we can get it on deals as well. They also have to look good, feel good, and comfortable. Look at this pot set, $49. These are some epic deal. We gotta grab some of them. Vacuum, $3.99, and as you can see, deals drops Mondays at 7 p.m. So look at this TCL 55-inch TV, $188. I know this is gonna be sold out in minutes. Guys, this is a great deal here. November 7th, TCL 55-inch Class 4 Series 4K UHD for only $188. You gotta grab that. You can get a Keurig for $55. Not bad at all. You can get other TV LG 32-inch for $200. Wow, I am so excited to share these with you. These are some awesome deals. You can get your air fryer. You can get Instapot. You can get speakers, and if you're not interested in TCL brand, they have other smart TVs that you can select from. They have Lenovo tablet. They have, oh my gosh, they have so many stuff that you guys would need. They have Google Chromecast, only $18. Let me know down in the comment which item you would purchase this Black Friday. Remember, these are some great gifts that you can get for your loved ones. Don't wait until Christmas. Actually, we're almost in Christmas. Don't wait until December. Start getting these stuff little by little. Put them down in a corner so you have these gifts already. And some of the prices go up in December. We don't want that to happen. If we can grab a deal, let us grab the deals now. I will also share deals from Amazon, Best Buy, At Homes, and some other stores. But this video is dedicated to Walmart. So if you're new here, subscribe to this channel so you can get more deals at other stores. Remember, you get it all home related, home makeover, Christmas shopping videos. It's all here. But I love to share Black Friday deals. You can get your earbud, you can get your vacuum, you can get your smart vacuum as well that you can connect to your phone. These are some awesome stuff that you can grab for the home. November 7th is the day. Pot set, air fryer, Instapot, Keurig. Look at these prices. Aren't they wonderful? A Keurig for $35. A pot set, $35. An air fryer, $38. Wow. Instapot, $50. Am I seeing right? These are some crazy deals for the kitchen. So as you can see, they have different deals for different categories. So if you're looking for your Apple product deals, you can save $250 on an iPhone 12. So save your money, put it down aside, get the deals. Walmart is putting out some deals. I want to know what Amazon is going to come with next. Since Walmart is behaving like this, I would want to know what deals Amazon have. Stick around to the next video. You guys, I will share other videos with other stores. These are all the deals so far that I'll be sharing. Just look on them, see what you will grab. Let me know down in the comment what deals stand out to you. Let me know what is a must buy for you, or let me know you're not going to buy anything from these deals, but something here must caught your eye. $49 pot set, not bad. Even a little $20 item, not bad. I hope you enjoyed this deal video so far. You can get candles, you can get containers. So if you don't want to spend any big money, save up the little money. These container set would be great gifts as well. Thank you again for listening and watching. I hope you enjoy these deals. Look out for more deals coming soon. It's your girl Renee again. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you.